Hello, today we'll be doing question number 192 from the WBCS 2019 prelims question paper. This question 192 is from the set A. So let's start off with the problem. The problem that we are solving is that a man has certain number of small boxes to pack into parcels. Okay, now if he packs 3, 4 or 5 or 6 in a parcel, he is left with 1. And if he packs 7 in a parcel, then none is left over. Then what is the number of boxes that he may have to pack? The options are 106, 301, 309 and 400. So now let us go back to the question. So we have been served as a man has certain number of boxes. So he has certain number of boxes to pack into parcels. Those boxes will go into parcels. Now if he packs 3, 4 or 5 or 6 boxes in one parcel, then ultimately of the total number of boxes he will be left with 1 box. And if he packs 7 boxes in one parcel, then none of the boxes are left over. Then what is the number of boxes that he may have to pack? So the first thing is that the total number of boxes in that case, since if he packs 7 in a parcel, there is no box left over to pack. So basically the number of small boxes must be divisible by 7. So that is the first criteria. And the second criteria is that that number of boxes when divided by 3, 4, 5 or 6, 3, 4, 5 or 6, we'll get 1 as the remainder since he's left with 1 box. So out of these 4 options, 106. So 106 is not divisible by 7. Since if you divide 106, then it will be 106 will be, I guess, if you do it by 7, then we have 36. So this will be 15, we have 35 and we have 1 remainder. So 106 is not an option. 301. So 301 is, I guess, divisible by 7. So this 7 into 3, this will be 21. Sorry, let us divide by 4. So it will be 28 and then we have 21. 21 is 13. So 21. So 7 into 43, 301. So 301 is divisible by 7. Now 309. 309 is not divisible by 7. 301 plus 7 should have been 308. 308 would have been divisible by 7. So this is not there. And 400 is not divisible by 7 entirely, since 400 if we divide by 7, this will be 5, 30, this will 35, then 50, then we'll have 7, then we'll have 49 and 1 will be the remainder. So 400 is also not divisible by 7. So we have got only one number which is divisible by 7. So to check whether this number is correct or not, let us divide 301 by 3. So if we divide 301 by 3, then we have 1 as a remainder, 100 into 3 plus 1. If we divide it by 4, then we have 75 into 4 plus 1, then 1 will be remainder. Again we divide it by 5, we get 1 as the remainder. And if we divide also by 6, then also we get 1 as the remainder. So I guess 3, so as you can see over here, then option B, which is the number of boxes should be equal to 301, is the correct answer over here. So this is how you solve this question which came in the WBCS 2019 question paper. We'll be solving the next questions in the subsequent videos. Thank you very much.